Okay, you asked for it. 6 wigs in 6 minutes, budget-friendly styles. Welcome back into my series, You Asked For It. If you're new here, first of all, welcome to my channel. This little series I call You Asked For It is just exactly what it sounds like. I am answering questions and requests that you asked me for, and there's hardly a day goes by that someone doesn't ask me about budget-friendly wigs. Now, let's talk about budget-friendly. Now, everyone's budget is different. That is not lost on me. I want you to understand that. You know, I've been doing this a lot of years, and I've had my hands on some very expensive human hair wigs all the way down to very inexpensive wigs, and I believe there is a place for both of those. Now, all the wigs I'm going to show you today, of course, are from Wig Studio One. I want you to make sure you use my code CRAZY30 when you go over there. So save yourself a little extra money on your favorite wigs and toppers at Wig Studio One by using my code. Now, y'all, this is all just my opinion. So take it for what it's worth. It is just all my opinion. I think budget-friendly wigs have a big place in the wig world. First of all, wigs are expensive. We can agree on that. Wigs are super expensive. And I think if you are new to wigs, first of all, these types of wigs are a good place to start. You don't have to break the bank on things that have a lot of mono features, that are super duper expensive, and you might not like them. I think budget-friendly wigs are a great place to start as a new wig wearer. I also think they are great if you are wanting to try a new style, if you are wanting to try a color you might have seen in a more expensive wig. Give it a try in something that's a little less expensive to see if you like it. So all the wigs I'm going to show you today range from under 200 to under 300. So I'm in that little range right there. Now, again, make sure at Wig Studio One, all of these you will probably get a discount on. Make sure when you put it in your shopping cart that you are seeing a discount. I think all of these have the 30% discount applied to them. If you have any questions at all, don't hesitate to reach out to support@wigstudio1.com. So these are all basic cap wigs. So what does that mean? There's no mono features on these wigs. No lace fronts, no mono parts, no mono tops, nothing like that. These are your basic wigs. That is what keeps them at a lower price point. When you start adding lace fronts and mono features, the prices just go up and up. But also, by them not having any mono features, these wigs all have permatease. They all do. That is also the trade-off of not having any mono features. However, for me, I love permatease, so that's not a problem. But all the wigs I'm going to show you today definitely have permatease. So the 6 minutes doesn't start till I start showing the wigs. So y'all know I'm chatty, and I do my best to try to keep it under 6 minutes. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. But today I'm going to show you these quickly. We're going to go through them. If you see one of these you want to know more about, like if you want to hear about fit, more about the caps, color, all those things, I've already reviewed these wigs. Just drop the name of the wig in the search bar of my channel and the full review will come right up. I just want to give you a quick overview because you're always asking me about more affordable wigs. So first up is one of my all-time favorites, Narico Alva and Mochaccino R. I have this wig in at least 3 colors. I love the bang on this. Tons of permatease here. Definitely. I think it's pretty. It is just, it's become a classic. I love how this has been so popular. I think wigs with bangs are always super popular, and this one, when it first came out, was just a bestseller, and it's continued to be. This is a new style that I just recently reviewed. The full review is on my channel. This is Main Attraction Sequel, and this color is Sunflower. I like the waves on this. It has a pretty bang. I just think this has been layered so nicely. It works well behind your ears. And this color is really pretty. Now we can't talk about affordable wigs without talking about Raquel Welch Voltage. And my color is Glazed Fire. Now Voltage is available, I believe, in a large cap. Voltage, it has an elite version, all of that. But this is the basic cap version of Voltage. I've also had this wig in so many colors. Just a classic style. Love the layering on this wig, and it comes in a ton of colors. All right, another adorable fun style that was super popular. This is Renee Paris Cocoa, and this color is Maple Sugar Bar. I like the nape on this one. It has a little longer nape, so if you have hair that grows down on your neck a little, this is a good option. It does have a little more coverage. It has a bang. It's just summer ready. All right, now this one, I had forgotten. This wig does have a lace front and a little mono crown. This is Ellen Villa Cocoa, champagne rooted. Now y'all know, I love some fun spiky hair, and this is just that. I really wish I had this in a red. I think would be so pretty, like a bright red. But this is a fun throw on and go, out of the box. You're going to love this one if you haven't tried it. This is a wig I was so pleasantly surprised at when it came out. This is Aesthetica Brighton R30 2826. First of all, I love this color. This is a little longer style, a beachy wave style. It has a bang. Y'all, this one has it all. If you are looking for something a little longer than the ones I've shown you in this video, have a look at Brighton. It is really a beautiful style. I love it. I think it's adorable. Okay guys, that is what I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed this. Tell me some of your favorite affordable styles. Drop them in the comments below. I'm really curious to get your feedback. There may be some there I haven't tried. If you have any videos that you want me to cover things, let me know. Leave me some comments. Let's talk about what do you want to see, because that is what this series is all about. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you soon.